How's it going, everyone? Nick here, and welcome back to the channel. Ever since the pandemic started earlier this year, there have been a lot of people that need help financially, and a lot of Americans want to get their finances in order. Whether you need some extra cash while waiting for a paycheck, or you just want to save more money than you ever have before, I think I have the solution for you. I've been using this application that's really helped me track all of my finances, along with allowing me to save a lot more than I have been. And that app is called Empower. And I just wanted to thank Empower for partnering up with me for this video so I can show you all the Empower app and how it can benefit your finances greatly. So for this Empower app review, I'm going to be going through their three main features. First, they have a cash advance feature where you could get up to $250 fast. Then I'll go over their high interest checking account. Then I'll close it out with their AutoSave account that has personally helped me save a bunch of money. Also, if you want to follow along in the Empower app, I have a tracking link, so I'll put that down below in the description if you guys want to download the app and follow along. So first, I'm going to go over the cash advance that the Empower app allows you to request, and that's up to a $250 cash advance. So I'm sure there's a time where you've needed some cash fast, whether it be an unexpected expense or you just didn't have enough money before you got paid to pay off some expense. Well, with the Empower app, you can get up to a $250 cash advance directly to your checking account. This cash advance has no interest, no late fees, and no credit check. You'll be able to pay that cash advance back once you get a new direct deposit into your checking account. To get the max amount of $250 for the cash advance, along with instant delivery, there are some requirements like setting up an Empower checking account, along with some other things. You can see all of those requirements within the Empower app. Alright, let's move on to the Empower high interest checking account. This is probably my favorite feature of the Empower app because you can earn money on money that's just sitting in your checking account. You'll earn 0.25% APY on all of the money within your Empower checking account. The APY is among the highest you'll find for a high interest checking account. There are no minimums, no overdraft fees, no insufficient funds fees, unlimited transfers, and you can withdraw money anytime. The Empower interest checking account also alerts you on your spending habits if you are spending over your normal amount. This account definitely is a good way to track your expenses if you've never really done any expense tracking or budgeting before. And if you want to withdraw money from ATMs, there are ATM fees waived for the first 3 ATM withdrawals in a month. And when you allow that money to sit in the Empower high interest checking account, over time, that money just grows and grows. Alright, now last but not least is the Empower AutoSave account. So to be honest, I used to have a lot of trouble saving my money just because I would go out and spend things. I wasn't really tracking what I was spending. But with Empower's AutoSave account, you can simply set an amount to save every week, and it'll automatically put that money from your checking to your Empower AutoSave account. Now, I'm sure some of you watching also have the problem of not being able to save enough or spending too much where you then don't have enough for savings. All you have to do with Empower AutoSave is set it and forget it. Now, one of the coolest features about Empower AutoSave is that it's intelligent. This means it'll evaluate your income and expenses around the clock, so it knows when you have extra money to put into your Empower AutoSave account. Once it detects when you have some extra cash on hand, it'll deposit the amount you specified into the AutoSave account. And unlike any other app where you could set a specific amount to go into a certain savings account, the Empower AutoSave feature won't actually run if you don't have enough money in your account. You can also withdraw money or pause AutoSave at any time, so you're always in control of your money. And I personally recommending trying to push that AutoSave amount per week up as far as you can so you can save as much money as possible. The more money you save and invest now, the more money you'll have in the future. And just to quickly throw in here, the Empower app also has a feature called spend tracking. You're able to link up all of your accounts, including credit cards, debit cards, and other checking accounts. Empower will actually import all of those transactions into the Empower app, and it'll actually go and categorize all of those transactions. It'll be able to show you what you're spending the most money on, what you're spending the least money on, and where you can save. While Empower will automatically track your expenses and put them into categories, you can actually go and set up manual spend trackers yourself. You can see some of the spend trackers that I set up, but basically you can set up things such as limits on your coffee amount, how much you usually go and spend at the grocery store, and so on. And it's a great way for you to be able to track your spending. With all of these features in the Empower app, I know a lot of you will benefit from everything I just talked about, and it will definitely help you save money. And the cash advance can get you out of some sticky situations. Again, my tracking link for the Empower app will be down below in the description, along with other great information about Empower. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below what you thought, and if you're going to download the Empower app. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.